Oke guys, sebelum lanjut ke videonya, gua harap kalian bisa subscribe channel gua supaya gua bisa makin semangat buat konten yang lebih seru lagi ya kan. Gua kasih kalian waktu 5 detik. Yuk. Ayo bang, buruan.
I think my vision's getting blurry. Swear the reaper's in a hurry. Yeah, I say I got no worries, but feels like nothing's gonna cure me. I don't really know why, been so damn sick of this ride. Just one off so I can feel normal for once. Fantasize about gripping the gun. And I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, no.
Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, it, no. I've been living by myself, my parents saying find help, but therapy is kinda scary, yeah, that's what my brain repels. I've been living sedentary, driving past the cemetery, couple feet right from my house. If that's the end, then I want out. I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, I got lots of problems, medicated, solve them. Slowly I've been falling, no.
voices loud in my head, I don't want no more pain. Voices loud in my head, I don't want no more
Pain goes by when you just don't think about, it, no. Pain goes by when you just don't think about, it, no.
Yeah, this a genius, straight from the country, right there with my kinfolk. Goes in my mouth, and they put 26s on benzos. Dirt roads, backwoods, they got weed, but I been dope. Ratchet, nigga, we act cool, but I'm getting money with these white folks. Sipping and I'm faded, super medicated. Said she wanna check the pole, I said okay, Sarah Palin. Yeah. So I lay down and lay in, a nigga gon' be faded all the way to the end. Way down, whoa.
Okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, damn, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose, working all night, swear I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm, yeah.
Oh God.
Okay, wow, look at me now. Cheap like an Indian, talking in clouds. I'm high as a bitch, I'm talking in clouds. I'm tree every night like I run with the eyes. I super soak that hoe, show 'em the love, just throw 'em a towel. Still rockin' Louboutin condoms, cause I'm so fucking in style. Wow, new crib, trash that. Drove here, cash back, now I knock that pussy out. Yeah, that's just a little cat nap. Hold up, don't be smoking my shit, I be smoking that fire. She be smoking my dick, be smoking my dick, boy, little bitch. Whoa, okay, more drink, pour it up, more weed, roll it up, whoa there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, cams up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, damn, bitch, I do it. And this the life we chose, working all night, swear I'm never going broke. talking shit just cause I'm
Smoking, choking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show and got $500,000. Spent it like it's nothing, money flowing. Never sober, smoking till I got concussions. No discussions, man. I got a condo and got a big crib. Down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting it, then I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in. You talk about it, I'm living it. I'm living it, fucking little bitch.
okay, more drink, pull it up, more weed, roll it up, more there, ho, you know what's up. Put hog in the blunt, bitch, slow down, pimps up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch, I do it. And it's the life we chose, working all night, where I'm never going broke. And I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm
Real nigga never front, cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, Sean and Wiz got this bitch jumping. Finally got this bitch jumping. Got this bitch jumping. Fly. That's me.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.